Hello and welcome to another episode of the Vending Machine Tycoon development series. So today I thought it'd be fun if we could make this little guy here walk. Now I haven't done much with Spritesheets in Cocos, so I'm looking at this tutorial here and some of the reference documentation. Now I already took the liberty of drawing this little guy up. This is him right here. Very simple, just here's him standing, and this is a very simple two-frame walking animation. Now, but first, I feel like this is missing a button. I'm going to add a load game button in the middle. So let's do that real quick. Just go over here. It's in app.js. Let's copy paste the new game button. Call it the load game button. Does not need a touch event right now. It's not going to do anything. And reposition it. So let's bump this one up to 400. No, I feel like that's too much. Let's bump this one up to 350. And this can be 275. Just to make things complicated. Alright. There we go. Now have a load game button. Let's also add a background. So what I can do is I can put it behind the color frame, and I can reduce the opacity of the color frame to something like 50. That's 50 out of 255, not 50 out of 100. Alright, and let's put in the, let's see, it's nice how it autofills that for you. Let's see how this looks. Oh, looking better already. I realized that this background is too small. So what I might do is, okay, this opacity is too low. What should I do here? I might just change the scale. Yeah, let's try zooming it in. And let's also try putting it directly in the center. Let's not zoom it in too much, maybe just 3.2 or something. See how that looks. That's much better, but it does need to be zoomed in more. Sweet. Yeah, I like this a lot more. I'm going to bump these buttons up. Oh. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's getting there. It needs some tweaking, but this title screen is looking a lot better. Now let's try and make this dude walk. So this is the sprite here. Now I'm going to change it so that it points to dude walking. So /people dude walking.png. And you're going to see three guys here. So what we actually need to do is, let's move it up a bit. Yeah, this is a good spot. What we actually need to do is create some sprite frames. So It's documentation here for the sprite frame. I'm just going to copy paste this right here. So frame 1, dude walking. Frame 2. And we need to find the rectangle. So we do this by bringing up this preview here. And it's 11 by 15. And it's starting at 0.24. So 0.24, 11, 15. And this will be 11, 15 too, so it'll be 0, oh, not 24, 0, 18, 18, 0, and 34, 0. So this is 18, 0. Just working this all out by hand. Okay, now that we have the two frames, according to this, we've got to add it into a array, create an animation. So anim frames, just a basic JavaScript array, and that contains frame 1 and frame 2. There we go, animation equals new cc.animation. Hope you can hear my voice clearly. I'm not quite sure if I have this microphone business figured out just yet. Okay. Frames and what is that? Period of time. I think I'll go with 0.33. So and frames 0.33 of a second will give us about 3 frames per second. And then you create an action. So call this walking action equals c.repeat forever. So repeat forever takes another action and alters it to repeat forever. Now animation is not an action, it's animate. This is quite complex, as you can see. We've got to create sprite frames, put those into an array, put those into an animation, and then we got to call cc animate on the animation. And then if we want it to loop, that's where repeat forever comes in. Oh, you might see here this is a lowercase repeat forever. What this is a lot of the cc dot functions, if you give it a lowercase, you don't need to instantiate it. It basically makes a new one for you. So for instance, cc.animate lowercase, I don't need the new. So I can just take out the new and do that. It's the same thing. Or I could write new cc.repeat forever capital. This is the same as writing cc.repeat forever. I really don't know why they did this. It's a little confusing. So, you can go with either one. I guess being consistent is important, so I might go back and make sure that I'm either always using new or I'm always using this, because otherwise I might run into some bugs. Because if you did this, new repeat forever with lowercase r, who knows, that the compiler might give you an error that's not very informative, and you'll get stuck. So that's why I don't like how they have this. Alright, moving on. This is a walking action now. Finally, all I need to do is attach the action to the sprite. So that's done here. You just go dot run action. Okay. Go sprite2 dot run action. Fingers crossed. This might be all we need to see the dude walking. Oh, yeah, that's him, but the hell's going on? Why is he cut off? I got my frames wrong. Oh, I see. This is meant to start up here at 3. Okay. So let's go back and change the origin. Yeah, he's walking. You can see his legs here, but it's hard to see with this background. So maybe let's go for more of a let's go for a white, and yeah, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, there we go. I'm not sure if the white works so well with this background, but at least you can see this guy walking now. And if we wanted to, we could make him go across the screen. And the way you do this is there's an action called CC sequence. This allows you to put 2 actions together. Oh, I think I spelled sequence wrong. There we go. Run 2 actions sequence. Oh no, that's one after other. There's another way to do this. Let's see. Sequence was 1. Okay, let's just go here. Action side by side. Parallel. Something to do with parallel. Let's see, animate, blink, delay, grid action, progress. Spawn. Yes. Spawn crit runs several actions in parallel. Okay. Excellent. So this, okay. How the hell do you use this? So it takes 2, okay, it takes an array. No, oh no, I can just pass into, okay. So basically, right here, no, right here where I did the repeat forever, we're going to make a new one. So walking and moving action, long variable name. We'll go cc.spawn, and then we pass in, let's go with the new cc spawn, and we'll take the walking action, and then we'll put in moving action, which I haven't actually written yet. So moving action is cc move by. Why is there no move to? There's rotate to. There's no move to. Oh, there is a move to right here. Okay, so this. Okay, so we want to make that repeat as well. Firstly, we're just gonna position this so that it's size.width plus 200, and it'll be a cc.repeat forever, lowercase, and then a cc.move to duration. Let's say he takes about 5 seconds. cc.p, that gives you a point, and that'll be negative 200, so that it'll walk to like over here, and 150 the height like we had before. Alright, really hope that the audio is catching all this. Might have to go back and boost it if it's really quiet. Okay, move to, oh, I'm missing a bracket. Not too sure how this is gonna. Hey, any errors? No errors, but this the guy's not here. So oh right. I didn't yeah. Okay. Huh? Still nothing. Is there any action update? Override me. That doesn't look good at all. I wonder what's going on here. Let's try just moving action. Oh wow. Okay, so he only does this once. Ah, why does this not? So I might have to make this a sequence where he actually right after moving, see this gets quite complicated. Right after moving there, he'll move back to his original spot. And I'll just give that a time of 0. See if that works. Wow, okay. That works. And let's put walking and moving action again. What the hell? This mixing these two together doesn't seem to be producing any results. I wonder if it's this. What if I pass it in as an array? This is really strange. So if I did walking by itself, he's walking. If I did moving by itself, he's moving. So this spawn thing here is malfunctioning. Let's see, cc.spawn. It's not really. This isn't giving me any. Alright, well, I'm going to have to leave this right here since this is dragging on. But I'll figure out why I can't do walking and moving at the same time. I mean, you know, animating and moving at the same time. And I'll get back to you in the next video. So thanks for joining me and see you next time.